very important issue in view of the press conference of the opposition parties. लक्षा गया, governmental initiative and proactiveness has exposed some con men and con women who have been cheating innocent people under the pretext of giving government jobs. Listen carefully. Governmental initiative and proactiveness has led to these con men and con women being exposed. And it is very important that Honorable Chief Minister himself has said that it is at the instance of the government that the first FIR has come to be filed against these con men and con women. This action of the government of ensuring that the corrupt are brought to book has ensured, has given confidence to people who have janchi फसवणूक झाल्या to come and file FIRs against these con women and con men who have promised government jobs. What is important to note is government's initiative ensured the first FIR, action against these con men and con women. And thereafter, complaints have come to be filed, and on the basis of the complaints against these con men and con women, FIRs have been registered, investigation is being done, they have been arrested, and Honorable Chief Minister has said, nobody will be spared. This inquiry, this investigation by the police will go to the bottom of the case, and nobody will be spared. This is the statement of Honorable Chief Minister. And hajer, some opposition parties are playing politics. They are making some allegations against our party and the government. What is important is this action against the con women and con men has been initiated at the behest of the government. Now, police is investigating this case. All the complaints are being investigated. These complaints will be investigated thoroughly. Honorable Chief Minister has said that the government is firm in taking action against the corrupt. Thorough investigation will be done. And opposition should not play politics and politics and politics on this. It is the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister and this government that has ensured action against these con men and con women who are cheating innocent bones. पहिली म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब्स असता पळय, आता स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशनाचो इन्स्टिट्यूशन इस्टॅब्लिश जाल्लें आसा, ते भाजप सरकारानूच केला. दॅट इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ रिफॉर्म. GPSCच्या मार्फत एक्झाम्स जातात. Depending on the jobs, exams are done and all those procedural formalities and all these legal things are followed. So jobs म्हणटा पळय, these con men and con women cheating innocent people will not be spared. So opposition should not play politics and make mischievous statements on it. Drag the party, drag our government. This is mischievous. This is false. This is incorrect on their part. What is important is that the Honorable Chief Minister has also said, if any complaint comes to be filed, action will be taken. And if anybody has got anything to say on this, as any information, file complaints. Because when Honorable Chief Minister, who is the Home Minister of the state, says very clearly that government will take action against such people, these con men and con women, and government has taken action. Who has exposed this particular con women and con men? It is the governmental action. And therefore, opposition should not play petty politics and peddle lies and make mischievous statements. Government is serious. Leadership of Honorable Chief Minister is very clear. Honorable Chief Minister has said very clearly that thorough investigation will be done in every complaint and every, all the matrix of the truth will be out. Nobody will be spared. So अशें आसतना ऑपोजिशनान हाजेर मिस्chievous स्टेटमेंट्स करचे न्ही, बिकॉज हे कॉनमॅन आणि कॉन वुमन जे धरल्या आणि जांचेर कंप्लेंट्स आतां रेजिस्टर जायत आसा तांचेर सरकार एक्शन घेता आणि जे कॉनमॅन आणि कॉन वुमन इनिशिएटीव गव्हर्नमेंटाचो आसून तांकां धरिल्ले आसा, तांकां एक्सपोज जाल्ले आसा. सो ही गोष्ट लक्षांत दवरची. थंय फक्त कितेंय उलयलें म्हणून तें सारकें न्ही, लक्षांत घे प्लीज.
आता तुम्ही गव्हर्नमेंटाक लागून पयली एफआयआर जाली आनी मागीर त्यो जायत गेल्यो, पूण dimension and expanse of these cases is such that there need to be an investigation agency. Police आसा बरें आसा, पूण इतले लोक आसा, काल एकटी पुजा नायक आशिल्ली, 4 जाले, 14 अशें जायत वता वाडत. One need to know whether all these people are working under one brain. So because of that, investigation agency, maybe SIT, maybe CBI,
that will be brought to light by the investigation, exactly, which is underway.
There should be one specialized.
Maka sang, police is doing their job. Complaints are being investigated. Accused are being arrested. This is part of investigation. Let the police investigate thoroughly. Let the police go to the bottom of the case.
But is police enough?
Yes, police is competent to do it.
Sir, तुम्ही खंयच्या कॉन्फिडन्साचेर सांगता की पुलीस बरें काम करता अशी खंयची?
म्हाका सांग, आता ज्यो कंप्लेंट्स आयल्या त्यो कंप्लेंट्स एफआयआर म्हणून रजिस्टर जातकच तांकां अरेस्ट केल्ले आसा, इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा. पुलीस investigating machinery is investigating it thoroughly. No, every complaint is being investigated. Honorable Chief Minister is on record to say, if anybody has got anything to say, any complaint, please file before the police. The sincerity of the government is exhibited by the statement of the Chief Minister and the action which government is taking, police is taking, whereby the Chief Minister is telling the people, because the first case has been registered by the government, suo moto, and thereafter every complaint that has come after that, any action by the government is being registered. People are being arrested, accused are being arrested, properties are being, all that investigation and the process there too is being followed and undertaken. Let the police investigate thoroughly.
But sir, first time
opposition should have said that police should go to the root of this case. Rather, they are saying something else which is completely no sense.
No, we are saying that. We are saying let the
what is that?
It should go to the root of the case.
Yes.
Yeah. So to go to the root of the case, this specialized investigation jai ashe tuka disna what question?
Jenna police machinery is a trained machinery in investigation. Police is doing their job under the law, under the procedure, and police action is ensuring the arrest of the people, registration of FIRs, if the complaints that are coming, all that is being done, no?
Sir, तशें जर आसत न्ही जाल्यार जेन्ना
Talk specifics.
सर जेन्ना सीएमान त्या बायले पूजा बिचोले धाडली अरेस्ट करून बी तेन्ना थंयसरल्या पुलीस ऑफिसरान एफआयआर किंवा हे करीत आसतना त्या बायलेक लोकांचे पयशे परते दिले म्हण तिका सोडून कशी दिली?
पळय लक्षांत घे, ती जी अक्यूज्ड आसा, प्लीज लेट मी नॉट speak on something which is, I'm making very clear, every complaint is being acted upon, right or wrong? Listen, I have understood your question, you listen to my answer. Every complaint is being acted upon. FIRs are being registered. तू ज्या मनशाचें नाव घेतला सुद्दां, that person is also has been under an FIR. That person is also arrested, correct? Some people have been arrested multiple times in multiple crimes of multiple police stations. all that process, let investigation go to the root of it. And the government believes, and Honorable Chief Minister has spoken, that investigation should go to the root of it.
अजून त्या पोलिसाची
म्हाका कळना, why should somebody?
अजून त्या पोलिसाची इन्क्वायरी जावपाक जायना अशें दिसता.
Therefore, I am saying, when investigation will, happen, go to the root of it. Let everything come out, no?
So जेन्ना
Let police do their work. Let police do their work. Who does the investigation? Police. Police machinery does the investigation. Right. Listen here. Maka ek sang. Which is the investigating agency under under your penal laws, under your procedural laws, criminal procedural laws? Which is the investigating agency? The police machinery.
Okay, तुमकां कितें दिसता हे जे गव्हर्नमेंट बी म्हणटा तुमी तेंचे विदाउट कलेक्शन ऑफ एमएलए और पॉलिटिशियन ते जॉब दिवं शकता कित्याक ऑलरेडी
साहेब पळय आयक, every complaint is being investigated. Every complaint, I mean, so many complaints have ensured registration of FIRs. Let investigation be done. You and us and everybody, let us support this investigation. Because it is a matter of, governance. Why should our people be cheated by some conmen and conwomen? So when government wants to ensure that these conwomen and conmen should be brought to book, government is serious in ensuring that FIRs are registered. The police machinery is acting and ensuring FIRs are registered against these people whenever complaints come. I mean, let the investigation happen. Let the investigation go to the root of it. What is it? Let let the investigation be done and let it be done thoroughly. See, don't ask me what they should do. You see, you understand what the government is doing, what the police is doing. I opened up by saying that the governmental action and initiative and proactiveness has resulted in these conmen and conwomen being exposed, and the first FIR is a output of that. And thereafter, some people who have been cheated and all that, they have come forward and filed FIR. Correct? So what has given confidence to the people who have been cheated to file FIR is governmental proactiveness and action against these accused. Let investigation go to the root of it. I am not a policeman. Please understand, and neither are you. I know what I am and I know what you are. Now listen here. I have understood your question. I am a lawyer, but I am not in the cross-examination box. I am in a press conference. But what I am telling you, understand the magnanimity of the statement and the seriousness of the statement I am making.
Yes, sir.
No, let me answer his question and then I come to you. Please understand, against the person that he has named, correct? He has named somebody.
You don't know the name, sir.
Listen here. It's that same person, whoever that lady is. One or two of them, whoever have been named. FIRs have been registered. They are arrested. Investigation is being done. Let investigation go to the root of it. Whoever is responsible, let them face the action. Let whoever is responsible face the action. This is what Honorable Chief Minister said.
You have not answered my question.
I have answered your question.
Giving bribe is not a crime.
Listen here. Whoever has done an offence, let the investigation reveal and let action be taken.
Yatish sir, सरकारी नोकरीची पद्धत ही स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन मार्फत भरणार ही क्लिअर आहे. डिसेंबर पासून ॲडव्हर्टाईज सुरू झाली. जी पूजा नाईक म्हणजे मुख्यमंत्री जे म्हणतायत 4 महिन्यापूर्वी भेटली.
हे ॲलिगेशन्स आपण करू नका. These are unfounded allegations. Don't make these allegations.
म्हणजे साधारण जून जुलै मध्ये ती गेली असेल तो सोडा विषय. पण डिसेंबर मधून म्हणजे डिसेंबर पासून जाहिराती सुरू झाल्या. एक 5-6 महिने जाहिराती झाल्या. अनेक पदे निघली. याचा अर्थ स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन ही पद्धत गव्हर्नमेंट लोकांच्या पर्यंत पोहोचवायला कुठं फसलं का किंवा सरकारला अपयश आले.
मला हे सांगा, स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन गठीत कोणी केलं? कॉन्स्टिट्यूट कोणी केलं, इस्टॅब्लिश कोणी केलं, कोणी केलं?
तुमच्या सरकार-
भाजप सरकारने केलं.
बरोबर.
करेक्ट? इट इज पार्ट ऑफ अ रिफॉर्म टू एन्श्युअर ट्रान्सपेरन्सी इन रिक्रुटमेंट. करेक्ट? So let it happen that way.
पण सर 6 महिने-
Somebody, listen here, somebody is cheating innocent Goans, some conman, let action be taken against him.
नाही, विषय काय आहे
हा.
की 7 ते 8 महिने त्यांच्या ऍडव्हर्टाईज येत असताना सुद्धा पूजा नाईक येत असेल, दीपश्री सावंत येत असेल, हे फसवताय. म्हणजे लोकांच्या पर्यंत तुम्ही स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन पोहोचवायला कमी पडलेला.
Listen here, I told you, when government advertises jobs, there is a procedure that is to be followed for that particular vacancies to be filled. There are exams, staff selection commission will do some exams, some junior officers, senior officers, GPSC will do exams. There is a procedure, correct? Somebody going random and saying that, I am going to give you jobs, let that person be, let action be taken against him. Please understand, government jobs are as per procedure, as per merit, as per exams. Somebody who is trying to cheat innocent goons, let action be taken against him or her, and action is being taken against him or her. Let us all in one voice support the government in saying that please take action against these people.
सर तुम्ही म्हणता की इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन लोकांनी विश्वास दवरचो.
Yes.
फाटल्या टायमार
Because Honorable Chief Minister has also made a call to everybody that if you have something, if you have got, material or whatever, file complaints. Please understand, the first FIR is out of governmental action and proactiveness under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister.
सो फाटल्या टायमांनी बाबूश मनसराता थेट आरोप केले. तुमच्याच सरकार आशिल्लें, तुमचोच मंत्री आशिल्लो, तेजेर एक कमिटी बसयली मागीर चौकशे खातीर. ती कमिटी मागीर मांडवी मावून केली काय जुवारीन केली खबर ना. तिचो रिपोर्टूय ना. सो लोकांनी विश्वास
Tajir, our leaders in the government have already spoken. You are asking me this question whose answer is already in public domain.
तुम्ही आयज परत आन्सर देऊ शकता.
The question is, please listen. You will take me to 1950 and ask me a question. I am at the moment, listen here. I am telling you specifically, any complaint which comes of this nature of some conman or conwoman cheating people, action will be taken. Support the government in that action.
सर तुम्ही आप जे डिमांड करता रिटायर्ड जजेसाची कमिटी ती गरज नाही म्हणता तुम्ही.
See, listen here. Let police go to the bottom of investigate, to the root of it. Why do you, I cannot understand. Let police investigate, yeah? What's the problem? Let the truth come out. Now, FIR जालो म्हणजे ताची कॉरोलरी कितें? अरेस्ट, इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन ते जावंक जाय न्ही? जावं न्ही मरे. सगळे येवनी भायर. Let the investigation be done in depth, which the police is doing. Let them act.
आयज काँग्रेसीने बोगस नियुक्ती पत्रां दिल्ली तेंच्यान दाखयली आणि ऑडिओ एक दाखयलो.
Listen here.
पत्रां
Whoever,
खंयच्यान पावली काय?
listen here. So you find out. Because Honorable Minister has also made some statement on that. Some statement you all have only published just now. Please understand. Understand one thing very seriously. That what some opposition party is saying, I opened up by saying that all of this has been exposed. These conmen and conwomen have been exposed because of governmental proactiveness and action. The opposition, what they are talking there, government, they want to politicize. Government is interested in a complete investigation. Let investigation be done.
तुमकां दिसना की ह्या सगळ्या बोळां भितर लोकांचो विश्वास खंय तरी सरकारी नोकऱ्यां बाबत वचत चलना म्हणून.
Sahib, understand this. When the first FIR was registered and when Honorable Chief Minister has made it very clear that on his proactiveness and on the proactiveness of the government, the first FIR has been registered and action is being taken. Thereafter, people have come and filed complaints. What does it mean? The firmness of the government in taking action against the corrupt has given confidence to these people who have been cheated to come and file police complaints. so that action can be taken against these conmen and conwomen.
सर पण अनेकांच्यावरती दबाव असल्यामुळे अनेक जण तक्रारी करायला बाहेर येत नाही असा आरोप कार्लोस थेरेडाने केलेला आहे.
हे बघा मी सांगतो, I am repeating what Honorable Chief Minister has said. Whoever has got any information about this, any material, any data, any complaint, go and file at the police station. Government wants to go to the root of this investigation.
या सगळ्या प्रकरणात एक जीवही गेलो, आत्महत्या केली, म्हणजे खूप मायनिंग बंद जाल्या उपरांत सुद्धा कोणी जीव दिलो आयकून आशिल्लो पण हितून गेलो. सो एकच ऑब्जर्व करून सुसाइड जालें.
Whoever may be responsible, action has to be taken, will be taken. Hey boss, listen here. Every complaint that has been filed, investigation will be done, is being done. See, you please understand. Don't you want investigation to be done and let the investigation to go to the root of it? Let investigation be done, yeah. Let the truth come out. See, Nene Bab, whoever is guilty of offense, whoever is guilty of these wrongdoings, let it be exposed in the investigation. And the police are investigating it.
Why I was asking you whether the agency is needed, because next week समजा गव्हर्नमेंटान मंडे ट्यूसडे SIT अपॉइंट केली किंवा कोण स्पेशल एजन्सी अपॉइंट, I wanted to know whether it was because of the party recommendation.
Please understand. ज्यांना प्रत्येक कंप्लेंटीचेर एक्शन जावन अरेस्ट एंटेल जाता, तांचे सिजर्स जाता, सगळे कायद्या प्रमाणे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालीक आसा. Let us all give support to the government to take action against these people, whoever are conmen and conwomen. Let the truth come out. Whoever may be involved, when the Honorable Chief Minister says action will be taken and nobody will be spared, let us all support the government in this. Let us support the police in this. And opposition should not play politics. Everything is not a matter of politics. If they have any information, if they have got any data, let them go and file police complaint, which police will investigate also, because Honorable Chief Minister said it. Government has exposed the conmen and conwomen first, and therefore police have registered the first FIR.
Initiative government. So
leadership of the government and the government.
So bribe is a crime. म्हणजे bribe DOP crime. So तेजेरी government initiative घेतले का?
When I am saying that government, the police machinery is taking action against all the accused, every complaint is investigated. It means every issue of the complaint will be investigated and action be taken. What is the issue?
Opposition म्हणता पोलिसांचेर आपलो विश्वास ना.
Bhaiya, opposition, what they are talking and what you also know and I also know.
कार्लोस थेरेडान आयज इम्पॉर्टंट थोडे एक प्रश्न केले की आता ते न्यू दिली आहे.
What?
न्याय संहिता बीन लागू जाल्या, सो तेतून सुनावणी घेतना तिची हे जावं रिकॉर्डिंग बीन जावपा जाय आशिल्लें. सो हे सगळे जालां.
Everything is a part of investigation and which will be done by the police. See, the police is acting as per the procedural laws and penal laws in force, correct? Police is acting as per procedural laws in force, penal laws, you see, the penal law, correct? So whatever has to be done for effective investigation, the police will do. They are doing. Where is the doubt? Therefore, I said that those statements are mischievous, because these conmen and conwomen have been exposed out of governmental proactiveness and action of the leadership of the government, and therefore this expose has happened and these people have been booked in the first instance because the government's action, and that has given confidence to people who have been janchi fasavणूक झाली. They have come and filed complaints thereafter, and every complaint is being actioned upon.
आम्ही एक गजाल आम्ही अंडरस्टँड जावपाक जाय. सी, पुलीस इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करता आणि प्रत्येक कंप्लेनी इन्व्हेस्टिगेट जाता, प्रत्येक हाजेर FIR जाता, प्रत्येक हाजेर जे कितें एज पर लॉ आसा त्या हातूंतल्यान आमी फुडें वतात. आमी ऑपोजिशन जर फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट जर ते वेगळें कितें तरी सजेस्ट करता आसत जाल्यार तांचे कडेन जर कितें प्रूफ आसत किंवा तांचे कितें कंप्लेंट्स आसत, दे शूड हेल्प इन इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन न्ही. तांणी पुलिसांक हेल्प करचो, ना की प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन आपले बेजलस एलिगेशन्स करपाक फुडें सरचे. हें जें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन आसा प्रत्येक गोंयकाराच्या हितान आसा आनी त्या हितूंतल्यान गव्हर्नमेंट इज डुईंग इट, डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर इज डुईंग इट, आनी सगळ्यांक उलो मारलेलो आसा. जे कोणाचे जर तर अशें कितें हें आसत जाल्यार तांणी फुडें येवन कंप्लेन करची.